Good afternoon, good evening. Dave here. You might be able to pick up some wind. There's a southeast wind coming out of the southeast. I'm gonna take a little walk. I just ate some dinner, and I think I might have overeaten a little. Not that much, but I'm gonna take a little walk here. I'm gonna take the camera with me, although it's kind of in the evening already. As you can see, we're out here in the middle of the field, the middle of nowhere. We're growing onions right now, and of course they're very baby onions. Onions on that side. On this other side, I'm gonna show you real quick. We barely planted the watermelon, and they're just barely starting to sprout out. There's little baby ones right there, as you can see. Or maybe you can't see. Here, I better get this way, because for some reason or another, the sun is going down towards the west. And even though I cannot see the sun, there's still light coming out of the west. Because if I turn this way and put the camera towards the east, according to the video description here, my face looks like a shadow. So I don't think you can see me from here. I would have to turn it this way so you can see my face more closely. Anyways, I just thought I'd do a little bit of walking around, because let the food settle down. You would hate to be sitting down in the truck with a full stomach, and I mean it just doesn't feel right. It'll ruin my evening pretty much. But you know, for the wind that's coming out of the southeast, it's still kind of chilly. I actually should have put on a sweater, but I'll just keep it to a minimum anyway. So the last thing I want to do is get sick. Usually when you get sick, especially a common cold, people around you are so scared they'll think you have COVID-19, and they want to stay away from you. And then you're pretty much isolated because nobody wants to talk to you anymore. You got to go get tested, and then just prove to them that you're not COVID-19 positive. It would normally come out COVID-19 negative. Anyways, it is getting a little bit chilly. I'm going to head back to the truck a bit here, or I'll just lean against the truck. Hopefully the tripod will, let me see. Hopefully the tripod will hold together. I'm going to put the tripod on top of the hood of the truck. And I hope there isn't a lot of wind coming out. It's getting a little bit shitty. I think it's a better idea if I just go inside the truck, put on that heater. I can't believe it. The air's so cold here. We're already in the month of March. March the 8th. It's kind of awkward. But this is the life that I have. A lot of my videos are pretty boring. A lot of people have told me they're kind of boring. It's all in the life of a farmer. It's kind of like what Eddie Murphy said in Coming to America Part 1. he was a goat herder, and the job of a goat herder wasn't really too much of a big responsibility, so that gave him a lot of an opportunity to go and study and go to school and stuff like that. So the goats pretty much fend for themselves. Well, it's kind of basically like the ranch here. The plants don't need too much help to grow. Yes, you gotta give it a little bit of fertilizer, but you just leave them alone and they'll grow on their own, and give you a good harvest. Don't bug them too much. Just leave them on their own. Leave them on their own tuition so that they can grow the way they want to grow. So pretty much just here is just pretty much just watching the grass grow, watching the weeds grow. Anyways, that was a quick take for today. I'm gonna get back inside the truck because I am freezing, and I have this arm that's injured, and every time it hits cold air, it starts giving me problems. It starts to ache a lot. So it's an injured arm from the past when I worked for the government. But that's another story. Y'all have a good afternoon, have a good evening, maintain that social distancing. 2 more days when Governor Greg Abbott says that they open up the businesses in full function. Everybody in the state of Texas, it opens up as business as usual. Let's see if that's true. Because I used to love going to Jason's Deli, and I'm not advertising it. I used to love going to Jason's Deli, but recently I've been trying to go, and they serve you your own salad. I hate that. I want to serve, if I like pickles, if I like more pickles, they'll just serve you 1 or 2 pickles and lettuce and whatever sauce you're using and so forth. No, I want to put the salad the way I like it, not the way they're going to prepare it. So I tell them, you know what, no, I ain't doing business with those people. So today I asked them, he said, because of the governor's decree that all businesses shall remain open as normal, are you all going to allow us